another, some instrument, which one to divide us. Today, I feel very joy, full of joy, and I find every face of the print media's friends also charming. Some may not be very happy, but everyone is very conducive to the issue. And you all want that the change of the state should come as early as possible. The first change has been brought under the leadership of our Maharaj Pradip Kishore and all other functionaries of different regional parties. I do not remember all the names, but I know everyone, those who sacrificed their life. And today we would be happier if we could have some other elders and friends who begin to fight for our existence in Tripura. Unfortunately, we miss them today. They are no more with us. Some are still there. They are unable to move from their seat, from their bed. And we're so happy that under the leadership of our Tripura Motat chairman, Maharaj Pradip Kishore, that the ADC has been attained. And we really fought for the ADC. Socially, we have been boycotted at the time of communist regime in our land. We could not use one well to draw drinking water. Our girl students were expelled from the school when they used to wear their own clothes. Our cockborough was not allowed to speak in any institution. We were beaten to forget our own mother tongue. We came across all these difficulties time and all these impediments we had to come across. Today, we can speak freely with any other citizens and we feel proud today. And I wish this effort will continue and our heart and mind and self-determination spirit, right, for the last 55 years I've been struggling my whole life. Today I would be the happiest man to see the younger generation coming up with their motive and sacrifice and accepting the truth. So today, I hope my old colleagues, senior colleagues, and dynamic leaders, those who are running the administration of PTADC, will be newly inspired today and work hard so that we can make our society free from corruption and we can also work for the needy people, those who really need, and we can fight our way. Many are impediments coming on our way of administration. We live peacefully, we live a life of freedom, we want to live a life of various heavenly spirits, because everything is coming across our people also. Those who have a lot of problems, they will be describing this or that, but we would like to make understand every individual, those who really think for the advancement of the society. It can be termed as the area TTADC, but we are equally concerned for the entire state, those who are economically weaker section. Weak is weak, poor is poor. Poor never described separately, either be it Mongolian, Aryan, Dravidian, or European. It's all the same. So we came from that background. We started our struggling life in years back, 1965, when many of you were not born, many of you were small boys or girls. But today, we're all grown up, and I'm happiest man at this age, touching almost 76, and still living as a statue, as a man. I don't claim myself to be a legend standing alone, but you're all my colleagues in the staff. And I wish you will today change your mindset so that you can be an instrument for the development, for the advancement of our society, those who are trailing behind economically, educationally. So today, once again, I thank every individual leaders here from different regional parties, because I have very short memory to name all of them. But truly, I'm grateful for all of you today. And I wish I pray to God so that God will bless each one of us. Those who are really carrying the clean heart. We want to build our society building on the rock, not on the sand. If we build our house on the sand, it will break easily. So we want to build our society on the rock, very strong. The wind may not blow. Any kind of temptation may not break it away. So thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you so much.
There is a press statement which is out, which we will distribute to all of you all, so that you all know that what is it that we stand for. As Vijay Babu has said, our foundation is based on solid ground and not on sand, because we are firm with our commitment towards the state and our people and our eventual goal of Greater Tripura land. Let me remind all our media friends that it has not been very easy for all of us. We have worked very hard. I would particularly like to thank those who are here and maybe one or two individuals who are not here. Buddha Babu is not here today. Agor Babu is not here today, but they have also worked very hard, and I would like to give a special mention to them. To all the other parties who have not come, the door is always welcome. I'm still hoping that the other parties, if they feel that what we are standing is right, then उनके लिए दरवाज़ा हमेशा खुला है. वो कोई भी टाइम आकर मुझसे मिलकर हमारे संग आ सकते हैं. कोई बड़ा नहीं है, कोई छोटा नहीं है. मैं सबके लिए इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. You are most welcome to join all of us to become one unit. If there is any question, please ask.
दूसरे मुद्दे पर वेस्ट बंगाल के इलेक्शन का जो रिजल्ट है उसका
मैं वेस्ट बंगाल के बारे में अभी नहीं बोलूंगा.
त्रिपुरा में उसका प्रभाव कैसे दिखता है?
वो वेस्ट बंगाल का इलेक्शन वेस्ट बंगाल है, वो अलग स्टेट है. त्रिपुरा एक अलग स्टेट है. हम वेस्ट बंगाल को देखकर राजनीति नहीं करते हैं. हम अपने त्रिपुरा के लोगों को और अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स को देखकर ही राजनीति करते हैं. वेस्ट बंगाल का बारे में बात इस समय नहीं करूँगा. ये मर्जर का बात है बिटवीन INPT एंड त्रिपुरा मोथा. इसके बारे में बात करूँगा.
Two questions then over.
My question to DK sir, why did it take you so long? Since you were already in an alliance with Tripura Motha, you both fight the election together. Now, after winning the election, you have taken a decision. It's a big decision for you because INPT is one of the oldest party in Tripura. Now, merging with Tripura, how do you see it?
No, this is as we have already described, the situation. Because it is for the people of the state. Therefore, we felt that it may be appropriate step to come together. So some other peripheral issues are there. We'll be sorting them out. And this is, we have decided yesterday in our Central Executive Committee, and we will be referring to our bigger bodies also. We have constitution. We will be minimizing and taking all our people of the state, those who are adherents to our INPT, so that we can come all together. And it's not very difficult for us because we base on situation. Therefore, it's nothing for us. It may be all because INPT represent QSS, TNV, ITF, and it represents present people also. They are not away from the circle of our people. So I think they will also understand, and they understand already. That's why we are going to make some other arrangement. Because it started today, it may take a few more days to settle everything, the functionaries of the party, and how we will carry on, how we will invite others also. So it's not difficult for INPT alone, because we remember, and it is the deepest concern for me especially, to come out of my TNV, QJ, INPT. But it's nothing for the equal rights, for the interest, if we can resolve. Otherwise, the situation, the problem will continue. If the problem can be resolved by coming together, that may be the goal of any political party. Political party doesn't mean that we cannot change our party. We keep on changing for common issues.
And here we are merging.
Merging,
We are not changing, we are merging.
we are merging together. So it's not so much of difficult mentally also, because we know how to digest any issue coming on us or against us. Therefore, we are still surviving today.
Also, would you like to say something to NC Babu, your old friend from this forum today?
For NC Babu, he was with me. He was government employee in the central government. He became director after TND signed and report. He was, I think, announcer of Congress. He was a very good announcer. His tune is very popular. So we love it. And we still love and respect him as one of the eldest fighter. But we do not know his present position now, whether he is still with the interest of the state, including the T-Prasa. But if he still continues, then we hope he can change at this age also. I am changing my mind when it is necessary. It doesn't hold my age, it doesn't hold my position. Therefore, we are flexible for situation. So we are still respecting him. He may not, I think, remember, but we still remember. We welcome him. Yes. Or
I think it's okay.
महाराज वो आपने बोला था कि दिल्ली के साथ बात करेंगे ग्रेटर नोएडा के बारे में आफ्टर इलेक्शन।
हाँ।
तो अभी कुछ डेवलपमेंट हुआ है?
हाँ, डेवलपमेंट हुआ है और हम लोग एक संग बैठ के बात भी करेंगे। और दिल्ली में मैंने मैसेज भेज दिया है कि हमको दिल्ली में आकर बात करना है ऑन दैट स्पेसिफिक इशू। दिल्ली ने भी इंडिकेट किया है, मुझे डायरेक्टली इंडिकेट किया है कि वो बात करेंगे होम मिनिस्ट्री से। अब टूरिज्म मिनिस्ट्री से तो ये बात नहीं कर सकते हम लोग, होम मिनिस्ट्री से बात करना पड़ेगा। तो होम मिनिस्ट्री से इंडिकेट देना है, लेकिन क्योंकि अभी वहाँ पे कोरोना चल रहा है और ये पैंडेमिक हो गया, उन्होंने कहा था बंगाल इलेक्शन के बाद बात करेंगे। क्योंकि ये हो गया तो हम इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं। मैं समझता हूँ कि वहाँ में भी दिन के आज पीपल ऑलमोस्ट 4000 पीपल हैव डाइड। सो वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल, वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट। बट हमने जिस दिन हम जीते उसके 2 दिन बाद ही हमने दिल्ली में ऑफिशियली कम्युनिकेट कर दिया और दिल्ली से भी हमें कम्युनिकेशन मिल गया है कि इस विषय में हम लोग बात करेंगे। वी आर नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग ऑन आइडियोलॉजी, वी विल नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन आइडियोलॉजी। और एक लास्ट चीज़ है, थ्रू मीडिया मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ, मुझे रिपोर्ट्स आए हैं कि कई जगह में कोई लोग तिपरा मोथा या INPT के नाम में गुंडागर्दी कर रहे हैं। हमने सबका नोट ले लिया है, स्टॉक ले लिया है। वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू टॉलरेट सच नॉनसेंस। क्रिमिनल्स है। और मैंने अपने पार्टी मेंबर्स को क्लियरली इंडिकेट कर दिया, बिकॉज पार्टी का फिर रीजनरेशन होगा, बिकॉज INPT एंड तिपरा इज गोइंग टू बी बिकम वन। तो पार्टी का वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और अकोमोडेशन में हम लोग को करना पड़ेगा। बट हम लोग कोई भी अगर एक आदमी भी अगर तिपरा मोथा के नाम में चंदा उठा रहा है तो मैं जनरल पब्लिक को बोलूँगा कि 1 रुपया नहीं देने के लिए ये लोग महाराजा का नाम लेकर अपना फ़ायदा देख रहे हैं। डोंट कोऑपरेट विद देम। और तिपरा मोथा का ऑफिशियल जो अनाउंसमेंट होगा अलॉन्ग विद टॉक विद INPT हम लोग करेंगे, ऑफिशियली होगा, थ्रू प्रेस रिलीज होगा। कोई भी जाकर अपने आप को तिपरा का लीडर बोले उसको आप एक्सेप्ट मत कीजिए। ऑफिशियल लेटर यहाँ से जाएगा आफ्टर टॉकिंग विद चित्तो बाबू, हमारे CM, विजय रामफल जी, अनिमेश इज देयर, श्रीधाम इज देयर, जो भी सब सीनियर लीडर्स है, रविंद्र बाबू इज देयर, सबसे बैठकर हम लोग बात करके देन वी विल मेक एन अनाउंसमेंट।
Also, my last question, you had promised prior to the election that once Tipura Motha is coming to the council, it will pass a resolution for the Greater Tripura.
Yes, we have already put that in the agenda. We have also put in the agenda to work for a symbol-free village council election. We don't want to polarize villages in the name of BJP, IPFT, Tipra, Congress, CPM. We want to have the villages where there's true democracy, not party-based village councils. We have also asked for a lot of things to be done with, like setting up of more autonomy to the autonomous district council. आज के दिन ADC हम लोग पूरा कागज में गए हैं। We have seen the expenditure of the previous MDCs, the EMs. हम लोग वेबसाइट बना रहे हैं और इसमें जो भी फजूल का खर्चा हुआ है, जो असली खर्चा हुआ है, पिछले 10 साल से 5 साल से वो हम लोग वेबसाइट में डालकर पब्लिक डोमेन में रखेंगे। आपको भी मालूम होना चाहिए कि आज के दिन एडीसी में 85% पैसा जो आता है वो सिर्फ सैलरी में जाता है और डेवलपमेंट में नहीं आता है। ऐसा करने से हम लोग क्या हेल्प कर सकेंगे अपने लोगों को? इसके लिए मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो भी डिटेल्स है ये वेबसाइट में आए, पब्लिक नॉलेज में आए और आप मीडिया लोग भी इसको अच्छे तरीके से कवर कीजिए। आज एक स्कैम चल रहा है टीटीएडीसी के नाम में, क्योंकि हमने कुछ डेवलपमेंट नहीं किया है। हमने सिर्फ 5 या 6 हज़ार लोगों को अमीर बनाया है और 9,50,000 आदमी को वंचित जैसा था वैसे ही रखा है। हम ये सबको चेंज करना चाहते हैं। थैंक यू।
महाराज, आप न्यू इलेक्टेड मेंबर को लेकर सीएम के पास गया था,
हाँ।
क्या बातचीत हुआ?
यही बात हुआ है कि आप